Hello and welcome back to Accidentally Country. Are you tired of your chicks knocking over food all over the place? Are you tired of feeding them every day? Are you tired of rodents getting in your chicken coop? Well, I may have the solution for you. All you need is a bucket, a drill, and a chicken feeder kit from Amazon from Zinxie Hawk. Follow along and I'll show you how to do it. This is Accidentally Country. I researched this kit online, and one of the things that I loved is that I found out that it saves 20 to 30% of food waste by using this system. It can work on any bucket, and what I love is it comes with its own hole saw right here. So I'm going to show you very quickly how to do this and how to save a bunch of money on chicken feed in the process. Next, make sure you empty the shavings. You certainly don't want that to get in the food. So once I've gotten the shavings out of the bucket, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in to where these lines here are pointing outwards. What's very important is do not leave this up, because if you do that, two things will happen. One is the rain will fall in here and then get the food wet. And two is if you leave this up, you're going to have a bunch of food that can never be accessed by the chick. So you're going to want to turn it to where the hole is pointing upside down and then slide it through. Next, we're going to put the gasket on to make sure it's watertight. Okay. And this here should hold it in place. Well, you put the lid on and you're good to go. One thing I love about this is you've got these little caps here that are great for keeping rodents out at night if that's a problem in your area. And instead of having to change their food every day, I have a hunch this is going to last me 3 or 4 weeks, just this 5-pound bucket with 4 chicks. So obviously do the math yourself, get larger buckets if you need to, but these things seem to be a lifesaver. So we're going to try it out, see how it works. Well, there you go. In 5 minutes, they figured out where their food was. So now I can go on vacations and not have to worry about the food for a long time. My next video, I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing, but with water. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe. And hey, if you didn't, please like and subscribe as well. Thanks for following Accidentally Country. We'll see you next time.